stop what you are doing. If you wear a smartwatch, this could be the most important 2 minutes of your year. Imagine this. You are home alone. You slip. You fall. You cannot reach your phone. What happens next? For millions, the tragic answer is nothing. This is because one hidden setting was never turned on. Hello, I am Dr. Mariz, and welcome to the Modern Senior. That scenario I just described is a doctor's worst nightmare for their patients. So many of us have been gifted this incredible piece of technology, but we are only using it as a simple watch. We are ignoring the guardian that is silently waiting on our wrist. Today, we are changing that. I will show you 2 critical settings that are available on most modern smartwatches, which you must check and activate right now. It will only take a few minutes, but the peace of mind it brings is priceless. Let's begin. The first and perhaps most important feature is generally called fall detection. Imagine this. You slip in the bathroom or trip over something in the garden while you are alone. A hard fall can be very serious. With this feature enabled, your watch uses its sensors to detect that you have fallen hard. If you do not move or respond, it can automatically call emergency services and notify your emergency contacts. It is your personal alarm when you cannot call for help yourself. So, how do we make sure it is on? The steps can be slightly different depending on your watch brand, but the principle is the same. Pick up your smartphone. Step 1. Open the main application that manages your watch. This is often called Wearable, Watch, or the brand name of your watch. Step 2. Look for a section called Safety and Emergency, or SOS. Step 3. Inside that menu, you should find an option for hard fall detection or fall detection. Step 4. Make sure this feature is enabled. Many watches allow you to set it to always on, which I highly recommend. The second guardian working silently on your wrist is the irregular rhythm notification. Now, this feature does not detect heart attacks. Instead, it quietly monitors your heart rhythm in the background. It is looking for signs of something called atrial fibrillation, or AFib. AFib is a common type of irregular heartbeat that is a major cause of stroke. Your watch can be the first to warn you of potential signs, so you can have an informed conversation with your doctor before it becomes a serious problem. Let's check this second setting. This is usually found within your phone's main health application. Step 1. Open your phone's primary health or wellness app. Step 2. Find the heart or cardio section. Step 3. Look for a setting called Irregular Rhythm Notifications or AFib Notifications. Step 4. Tap on it and follow the instructions to set it up and ensure it is active. This may require you to enter some basic health information. 2 settings: fall detection and irregular rhythm notifications. It took just a few minutes to check them, but it could give you and your family years of peace of mind. I urge you, when this video ends, please check the settings on your device. If your spouse, your parents, or your friends have a smartwatch, please share this video with them. Help them check their settings too. It is a simple act that shows how much you care. This is what we do here at the Modern Senior. We make technology simple and empowering. If you found this guide helpful, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss our next video. I am Dr. Mariz. Stay safe and stay modern.